Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make clone of Lofi Radio Discord bot. Don't worry if you are new to coding. I will guide you the process step by step. If you want the code, then you have to join my Discord server. Alright, folks, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now let's start the process. Let's create a Discord support server for the bot. We have to make a Discord application from Discord developer portal. Follow the steps like in the video. Invite the bot in the support server and in the emoji server. Emojis are provided in the code you can download and upload in your server. Go to the code and follow the steps like in the video. If you want to run in Replit, then click that button. If you are using Visual Studio Code, then copy the link and clone the code in the folder. Now let's go to the config file and fill the value. And if you are using Replit, then do the same. Open the terminal and type npm and if you are using Replit, go to shell and type that. Okay, now let's add a bot token in .env file. Now we are adding the MongoDB database URI in our bot. If you don't know how to get URI, then watch another video in description. Now, add the developer ID in config. After adding owner ID, let's add Spotify client ID and secrets. Go to the Spotify developer portal and create an app. If you haven't, add the support server and invite link in config. Now we have to add the latest Lava link server in the file. Go to this link to find the Lava link. Otherwise, you can host your own. Add the value like this in this config. Now it's time to run the bot. Type nodesrc index.js. Lofi radio is ready to go. Let's try it. If you are using Replit, do this.